Hello everyone, welcome to the another video in the series of Law of Attraction. In this video, I'll teach you how to stay positive even in the negative situation, no matter how hard the situations are. Don't skip the video, watch till the end because I'm giving the sharp and proven techniques every bit of this video. Don't skip, watch till the end. Do you know law of attraction includes law of gratitude? What is law of gratitude? Law of gratitude is nothing but it's a feeling or an emotion, like it's a belief that God or universe is exists, and whenever we pray or ask for something, will bless you. There's a feeling, it's an emotion of belief. People who have lack of gratitude always struggle with their life. If they have problems, they can't balance. Why? Because it is very difficult to them to find good things in their life. That's the problem. Remember, everything in this universe is neutral. We are the one who always gives meaning to each and every person, every situation and everything. The people who don't accept this reality, their life is miserable. Yes, they either they think upon themselves or they think lower than some other. When they compare with other people, they focus on what they don't have instead of what they want. In fact, people who come for my coaching, whenever I ask them what you really want, they talk about what they don't want in their lives. Why? Because the focus is always in what they don't want instead of what they want. Both whole and the diamonds exist in the same place. It's you who take the choice to focus on. When you have a choice to focus on goals and lead your life miserable, you have a choice to focus on the diamonds and lead your life happy. It's your choice. Every moment you have a choice, and every moment you have a freedom to choose. And whatever the thing that you have chosen, it will manifest. It's very simple, but it's profound. So what's the technique to always stay positive, even though in the negative situation? How can we choose positive every time in every second in our life? The technique is gratitude. If you choose a gratitude, this one emotion in every time of your life, then I promise you, life never be same again. I know what your mind is saying. My friend, your logic is correct, but you didn't accept the reality of the universe. By counting the negative things only deepens the wounds of your soul. In this way, you cannot heal anything. Most of the people put their one or two problems in the center of the universe and they forgot to count what they have gifted. Our human beings are designed in such a way that whatever you focus on, immediately it starts showing the pictures of your thoughts, and that's what you manifest. So imagine if that part also be how you want to be, then how grateful you feel, how happy you feel. Just for that one moment, you're beating up yourself for your total existence. If I'm not wrong, even though you achieve the success, you still consider yourself as failure. Why? Because you have completely beaten up yourself to achieve this on this entire journey, and even though you achieved that, now you're feeling failure. So the question is not how to stay positive. The question is, do you really understand how important it is to stay positive in negative situations? If you understand, your mind automatically finds a way to stay positive. So gratitude is an attitude. There are so many benefits if you practice gratitude in your life. You overcome the stress. You stay happy, peaceful, positive, calm, centered and peaceful in your life. You feel very closer to the God. You achieve your goals in a light speed. Success finds its way to you, especially in relationships. all your bad relationship get healed quickly, and all your good relationship will go better. Happiness, peace, love, abundance flow in your life. You can balance your emotions, your life very easily. Your self-esteem, your confidence increases like never before. Gratitude is an attitude. So what's the action plan? So the action plan is, from today onwards, take 10 minutes of alone time in the morning, the moment you wake up, and the night before you go into sleep. Note down all the good and positive things that has happened in your life, and also you have given the positive meanings to the negative situations. In this way, you will going to reach the tipping point of your success. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up button, subscribe and press the bell icon for more new videos. Thank you so much.